2024 is the year of a dragon by Chinese lunar calendar. We are not a year gone. We do love dragons. FAO continue working the talk by spirit of the dragons and houses. We are more deliverable, more visible, and more impactful in the big international fora and initiatives. We have continued to work as one FAO by improving the working environment, improving the staff accountability, and with successful regional minister conferences, and critical technical assistance to the G20, APEC, COPs, G7, and others. The World Food Forum, WFF, the Global Working Conference of FAOs, and the LLDC's forum in Tashkent, the International Soil and Water Forum in Bangkok, the World Coffee Forum in Honduras, and many others have obtained huge successes. FAO had never reached that level, which is deserved to be highly recognized and highly appreciated. And more, as a key reliable member of the UN system, members and ministers have continued to transform agri-food system with the overarching guidance of the four betters: better production, better nutrition, a better environment, a better life, leaving no one behind. FAO has become the home of the farmers organizations, institutions, the youth, women, and indigenous peoples, besides the government officials, recognizing their fundamental role in the transformation of global agri-food systems to make them more efficient, more inclusive, more resilient, and more sustainable. We always promote the philosophy, produce more with less, for today and tomorrow, ensuring food availability, food accessibility, and food affordability as the key dimension of food security at 4 levels: basic, nutritional, healthy, and functional food for all. We have firmly placed food and agriculture at the center of the international agenda and multilateral discussion, secured the political commitment of global leaders. Fostering partnership, we have affirmed that agri-food systems are the solution to the climate crisis, and consistently and coherently advocate for enabling policy, science and innovation, and more targeted investment to turn these solutions into action. Above all, we have stressed that peace is a prerequisite for food security, and the right to food is a basic human right. Let us renew our energy and passion to embrace another historical year, a year of FAO's 80th birthday with a new noble mission and new chapters. As we continue to recover, rebuild, and reform on our path towards FAO's renaissance together. I wish you all the healthy, happy, peaceful, and prosperous 2025.